Today I'm answering a question that I often get. That question is, how often should I replace the spark plug on my small engine equipment? Well, it's all going to depend on how much you use your equipment, what kind of fuel you're running through it, and how the machine is running. Let me get right into the video. Alright, so I got a bunch of old spark plugs that I've removed from equipment just for this video today to show you, to give you an idea of when you should or should not replace the spark plug. So first of all, I'm going to show you the worst plug in the whole lot. It's this one here. Look at this one. It's all black. It's full of carbon. This should be replaced. However, if you have a plug like this that is all carboned up, it means you have another problem causing this, which would be that your engine is burning extreme amounts of oil. Now, if I take this plug over here, this plug here was fouled up and you can see a lot of carbon even though it's not all built up like the last plug. When you have a plug like this that is super black, even if your engine's still running, you should replace it. It's probably getting close to being fouled up. You can clean it up, guys, but for $5-6, I often recommend just replace it, so save yourself the hassle. You don't want your snowblower or lawnmower to not start when you're right in the middle of a job. Here's another plug like this, RJ19LM. These plugs almost never ever fail, guys. It's extremely rare. If they look like this, you can just clean it up again with a wire brush and you're good to go. These plugs here for 2-cycle equipment, this is a Bosch, which is the equivalent of an NGK BPMR 7A. I do recommend these to be replaced after every cutting season, guys. What I've seen with these is that the negative electrode here can break off the plug. This part right here, it can get into your cylinder and ruin your saw. I've seen it before. Plug breaks because somebody was too cheap to spend $5 to put a new plug during a service. So in the old days, guys, people cleaned a lot more spark plugs. Nowadays, they're more available, probably a little cheaper maybe. So people don't always clean them, although you can clean them to make them last longer. Now, what I want to talk about here is if you're a shop or if you are a homeowner. I've got a list of stuff here. Most good professional shops, if they get equipment in for service, they will automatically replace the plug. And the reason for that is in case the negative electrode breaks and ruins your engine. The other reason why is because a good shop doesn't want a customer to call them back in 2 weeks and say that the equipment that was just serviced doesn't run. So why take a chance on a $5 to $7 spark plug, guys? Now, if you brought your equipment to a shop and the engine's still running and the plug was replaced, what you can do is ask for the old spark plug back and just keep it as a backup. Because the shops are not replacing a plug just to upcharge you. You know, what are they going to make on the plug? Maybe $1. It's not their motivating factor as to why they would replace it. They just don't want you to have problems, because if they don't replace the plug and it doesn't run in 2 weeks, it looks bad on them. That's the reason why. That's why I do it, and I know all the other professional shops do the same thing. So from the homeowner standpoint now, what you can do is take out the plug, clean it, keep a spare plug in your garage for all your equipment, chainsaw, snowblower, lawnmower, lawn tractor. Then if you get an issue, you can try a plug, then you know whether that was the problem or not. Typically, what I would recommend is you replace your spark plug every year to avoid problems, even if it is still working good. That's kind of the golden standard out there to do. Now, some of my viewers have been commenting on things that I've noticed in my shop here. I want to run this real quick. Is that they've had more NGK spark plugs foul in their snowblowers than the Champions. They were asking me if I've seen that, and you know what? I have. I've had more NGK spark plugs foul up than the Champions RN9YC, so the equivalent would be the NGK BPR6ES. Those are commonly used in all the snowblowers with overhead valves, Hondas, Ariens, all the other machines like that. Yes, I have seen more NGKs foul up. Here's one right here. Snowblower comes in the shop, it won't start. It's a Honda. just using that as an example because I've seen it a lot. It's really black like this. Most of the time, it's just the plug. If I have good customers that call me and say, hey Don, you know, my machine was serviced last year, it just won't start now, I'll tell them over the phone, try a new plug before you bring it to the shop, because it's probably all that's wrong with it. You can try cleaning it, guys, but cleaning a spark plug will not always make it work better. Anyway, this is it for the video. Long story short, guys, what I recommend is replace the spark plug every year on your equipment. Thanks for watching. Please comment below, guys. Have a great day.